Hello and welcome to your mini lesson on process analysis. What are the steps? Today's goals are just to simply explain to you the types of process analysis that you may encounter. There are two types, and the two types are, the first one is informative. This would be an essay that provided information about how something works. So maybe an essay on how clouds get formed. Directive is how and explain how to do something. So this will give you specific steps in order to complete a task. Some examples of process analysis. Informative would be lessons like this. I'm explaining what something is or how to do something, or it might be a narrative that shows a journey. It's not necessarily directive in the way that a how to do something essay would be. Where it would give you explicit steps to complete an objective, or it could be a tutorial. For instance, how to bathe a cat, I would give you specific steps. I'd be directive about it. And if I would say, first you put the cat in the tub, then you put some water in the tub, and you put some soap in the tub and scrub, and hopefully you won't get scratched. If I was being informative process analysis, I might just explain to you what happened during the cat bathing process, which might be a hilarious essay. Some things that might clue you in that you're reading a process analysis are transitional words in organization. They're typically going to be sequential, chronological, and numerical. You'll see words like first, second, and third. First I did this, then I did that. Finally I did this. To start with, before, after, next, finally, at last. So process analysis' goal is not to confuse you, so it will take things in steps, sequentially how they happen, in time-wise how they happened. One thing to remember about process analysis is that common sense isn't common. Don't assume everyone shares the same basic knowledge about something that you do. So if you're explaining a process, make sure that they know what you're talking about, each step. Sometimes it's easy to mess up even how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, especially if you don't tell someone that they need a knife to spread the peanut butter and jelly with. So just be careful about not leaving out any steps. If you have any questions, please come to live class.